Body armor has 4 major areas of coverage: the front, back, sides, and under the arms. Officers should check that these 4 areas achieve proper fit and coverage. Confirm from the standing position that the bottom of the concealable vest is 2 or 3 finger widths above the top of the duty belt. The bottom of the tactical vest should be even with the bottom of the duty belt. The top of each vest should be at the second button of the uniform shirt. Typically, officers leave the shoulder straps attached on concealable and tactical vests, slipping the vest over their heads and onto their shoulders. Once in place, the sides of the vest are secured.
The sides are one of the most vulnerable points of the vest, especially if they're not properly fitted. The front armor panel must overlap the back to ensure maximum protection against near-edge shots.
If the back panel incorrectly overlaps the front, the bullet could enter between the panels and cause injury. Coverage under the arms should be as high as possible without hindering movement. Female officers need maximum coverage around the bust area on both sides. Comfort for the female officer depends on customization. Some manufacturers design vests with staggered and overlapping darts to create bust cups. This feature requires that stitch lines be tested for flaws.
Each time body armor is used, it should be inspected for signs of wear or exposed ballistic material. If this is found, the vest should be returned to the manufacturer for replacement. Never attempt to repair armor yourself.
The most important part of your ballistic armor is the actual panel itself. The first things you want to look for is the seam. Inspect the entire seam area to make sure you haven't worked through it, it hasn't worn against your equipment, your duty belt, and created a gap or a tear that would allow moisture or other contaminants into the actual ballistic material. This cover is designed to stay sealed for the 5-year life cycle. If that seal is broken, whether it be through an incident, a scuffle with a bad guy, chasing somebody, an automobile accident, if this panel gets torn, it needs to be replaced. It needs to go back to the manufacturer, and this needs to be inspected and then recovered.
Every model of body armor should come with cleaning instructions. Proper cleaning and maintenance is vital to its effectiveness. Departments and agencies should train officers in correct cleaning procedures. Some removable barriers may be machine washed or dried, but panels and inserts should not be. Most armor uses water-repellent fabrics, making hand washing possible.
For the panels themselves, a warm solution, just a touch of soap, whether it be hand soap, dishwashing liquid, just a very light touch, 1 drop, warm, wipe the panel itself down, immediately dry it off with a dry